Sorry guys, my camera stopped recording after 10 minutes, so I'll have to fix that. We got Jerome Iginla, trophy winners, auto out of 50 for the Calgary Flames. Cam Ward, jersey, short print out of 49 for the Carolina Hurricanes. We got a redemption. Monikers Emerald for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Phil Kessel. I believe these are out of 5. Phil Kessel, Monikers Emerald. Stan Mikita, Stanley Cup winners out of 199 for the Chicago Blackhawks. And we got Sidney Crosby, board members, out of 199 for the Pittsburgh Penguins. Sorry guys about the stop in the video. I didn't know my camera would do that. I'll try and fix that for the next break. Okay, we got Chris Neal, base at 299 for the Ottawa Senators. We got a rookie auto, Michael Stone, out of 499 for the Phoenix Coyotes. Got a rookie redemption for the Chicago Blackhawks. Limited Travels dual jersey of Keith Primo to 199. That will be random between the Red Wings and the Flyers. We got a prime jersey of Joe Sakic out of 25 for the Colorado Avalanche. Trophy winners Joe Nieuwendyk, or Stanley Cup winners Joe Nieuwendyk, out of 199. And that was for the Dallas Stars. And a Bobby Clark silver captains out of 49 for the Philadelphia Flyers. Okay, we got Erik Karlsson, base at 299 for the Ottawa Senators. We got Daniel Sedin, trophy winners auto out of 99 for the Vancouver Canucks. Ed Jovanovski, captains out of 199 for the Florida Panthers. Derek Smith, jersey for the Calgary Flames out of 99. Yep, Calgary. I don't even know who Derek Smith is. We got a jumbo jersey auto of Joe Thornton out of 49 for the San Jose Sharks. Back to the Future, Jeremy Roenick and Andrew Shaw out of 199 for the Chicago Blackhawks. And a limited duels of Henrik Lundqvist out of 99 for the New York Rangers. Okay, we got Derek Dorsett base at 299 for the Columbus Blue Jackets. Yep, Columbus. We got a jumbo, I think that's prime jersey, of John Tavares at 25 for the New York Islanders. Got a rookie redemption for the Phoenix Coyotes. Phoenix Coyotes rookie redemption. We got a Matt Clark rookie auto out of 499 for the Anaheim Ducks. We got a private signings of Dino Ciccarelli for the Detroit Red Wings. Stanley Cup winners, Red Kelly out of 199 for the Toronto Maple Leafs. And a limited duels gold of Sean Couturier, numbered out of 10 for the Philadelphia Flyers. Okay, we got Milan Lucic base at 299 for the Boston Bruins. Jumbo prime jersey of Ryan Suter out of 49 for the Minnesota Wild. Yep, Minnesota. Got a rookie redemption for the Florida Panthers. Nice. That's probably going to be Jonathan Huberdeau. Florida Panthers rookie redemption. We've got a jumbo jersey of Robin Lehner out of 99 for the Ottawa Senators. Another redemption. Phenoms auto, Jeremy Welsh. That is for the Carolina Hurricanes. Jeremy Welsh, Phenoms redemption for the Carolina Hurricanes. We got a limited duels gold, Steve Yzerman, numbered out of 10 for the Detroit Red Wings. And we've got a Nick Backstrom silver base out of 49 for the Minnesota Wild. Okay, we got Kari Lehtinen base at 299 for the Dallas Stars. Jumbo something of Marian Gaborik. Jumbo prime jersey, Marian Gaborik out of 49 for the New York Rangers. Got a rookie redemption for the Montreal Canadiens. Nice. That will either be Galchenyuk or Gallagher. Not sure yet. We got Sven Barchi jumbo jersey out of 149 for the Calgary Flames. Another redemption. Phenoms rookie auto, Ryan Hamilton for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Ryan Hamilton redemption for the Maple Leafs. We got Steven Stamkos duels out of 99 for the Tampa Bay Lightning. And a gold base of Brad Richards out of 25 for the New York Rangers. This will be the last box, should be, of this video. Because the videos are cutting off at 10 minutes, I'm going to send all of the teams an extra hit, just as an apology for the videos. Okay, we got Jonathan Quick base at 299 for the LA Kings. Ray Bourque trophy winners auto out of 99 for the Boston Bruins. Devin Dubnyk silver out of 49 for the Edmonton Oilers. Jonathan Toews jersey out of 99 for the Chicago Blackhawks. Corey Perry jumbo jersey auto out of 49 for the Anaheim Ducks. Grant Fuhr Stanley Cup winners out of 199 for the Edmonton Oilers. And we've got an Andrew Ladd board members out of 199 for the Winnipeg Jets. Okay, I'll be back with the last 3 boxes.